guys, welcome back to our channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be all new Tata Harrier. Sorry, I'm getting Tata Safari because I have done just now vlog of Tata Safari. Okay, so forgot of that Tata Harrier. So all new BS6 2021 vehicle. It's in the white treatment. I like the treatment of white color because white and orange is my favorite color, as you know. And coming to front, Tata badge at the center, and this piano black finish touch of grille is very awesome. Look at the front, and number plate position is given here, and below so lower side has a cheap plastics. I mean ordinary plastics are used on this vehicle. And coming to DRL has given LED DRLs and running LED DRLs. And coming to headlights, these are projector setup, and high beam has given here. Cornering lights are same as fog lamp and fixed. Same treatment and same platform as taken to Safari also of Harrier to Safari of 2021. I have done that vlog, please go and check that. And coming to engines, so there are only single engine diesel engine 1956cc engine and 4-cylinder 4 valves per each cylinder as given of Tata Harrier. So massive enough of that of this Harrier. And coming to side profile, these are Tata alloy wheels has given nice chrome finish of dual tone chrome treatment of alloy wheels. Apollo tires has given, and the profile of the tire is 235, 65, 17 inches has given, and in Safari you get 18 inches, so 1 inch decrease from Safari. So these shock absorbers are very nice performing. I have already tested, so I will be uploading of that. And see the massive size of the spring of the shock absorbers are very awesome, and the space between the body level and the tire pressure is also massive. So line of this body roll at the front, and piano black finish touch of side view mirrors, same gloss black finish touches all over the roof, and the same pillars of B pillar, C pillar, A pillar, all the treatments. And Harrier badge written same Safari written on Safari, and Harrier written on Harrier. Chrome finish of this roof race, so same dual tone chrome treatment of door handles as given. Keyless entry as provided of driver position. So ground clearance is also massive on this vehicle. So coming to rear, all the LED treatments, you get dual LED treatments in the Safari, and you get Harrier as single LED treatments reflected as same position, almost same positions of all the tough Safari and Harrier, but both the cars are from the Land Rover platform. And Tata badge at the rear view camera is given here. 4 sensors has given. Harrier badge with the bold letter Safari written in Safari. So number plate position has given here, nice. And piano black finish touch again on this treatment rear, and rear wiper has been given here. Same spoiler as given in the gloss black finish, and the glass treatment of this is completely rolling. I like the design weighing of this glass treatment is very nice. All LED treatments. So now I can't show the boot off because battery is low on this vehicle. So coming to the rear doors, chocolate finish or chocolate and black finish of this treatment of this rear door is very nice. Same door handles, same treatment completely to Safari and Harrier. Silver finish of door handles, and door holder is in the chocolate of leather treatment, and the leather finishing of this Safari has this cream finish, and this has chocolate, and but not interior airy feeling of that with these color treatments. So I am some disappointed. Safari has very nice color treatments of seats, and fabric finish and leather treatment has been combination of the seat covers. And here you can see the twin center armrest with the twin cup holder. Sorry for that. 3 people can easily sit and travel, and huge panoramic sunroof on this vehicle also. So let's sit inside and see very height of the vehicle. And coming to under the support is massive. Under the support is massive. Knee room is massive. Scooped out seats with magazine holders as given. So this is a dashboard position. Windows are large enough for only these windows will give the interior airy feeling. Holders has been given here with the light. Now the battery is down on this vehicle, and twin headrest, adjustable headrest at the rear. No, why not 3? So okay, disappointing of that. Lot of space to keep the stuff here. Here you can see lot of space. So enough of that. And chocolate treatment and black treatment of this, I dislike of this because not an interior airy feeling. This is a dashboard design. Let's go to front and see what are the features are there. So forgot to show that 4 tweeters and 4 speakers has given JBL branded speakers. Side view mirror, here you can see large enough. So same treatment door and wide enough of door opening, and here you can see the same treatment of holders, and speakers and tweeters has given here, and same JBL speakers and tweeters, and silver treatment of door handle. Power window buttons has given here now. Same this chocolate treatment I like, but in black treatment this combination is very much bad. And the light is given here, door opening light, and no badge Harrier has given here in entering. So these are the electric adjustable of seats, and this is the leather treatment. Cushion is very nice on offer. So engine start stop button is given here. Let's see inside from that. So this is a manual transmission. There you can see the 3 pedals are down. So sitting inside the vehicle, very much height of the vehicle is very nice. So coming to here, center armrest with lot of space with 12-volt charging socket is given. So 12-volt charging socket is given, 2 USB ports of charging sockets has given, lot of space here. And this leather treatment is very nice and comfortable. And this is a handbrake. I like the treatment of handbrake because you get in AMA treatment of handbrake in this Harrier, very nice. So the twin cup holders has given here, and space keys you can place. This is a gear lever of 6-speed manual transmission, and this is 3 modes of this Harrier, and Safari has the same. So 3 modes has given. It's not an off-road vehicle obviously, and wireless pad, charging pad is given here. Again leather treatment, smooth finish of touch of plastics are very nice. So piano black finish in Safari, and you get the wood finish of this treatment in the dashboard design of Harrier. Auto climate control inside the vehicle of AC, and these are the azure switch and high beam and low beam and eco-friendly of AC, and AC buttons as given here. This is touchscreen, massive enough, with the twin air vents as given at the front, and almost 4, sorry for that. And these are the buttons for the touchscreen. Sorry, I'm not showing the infotainment system because battery is low on this vehicle, I've said already. And dashboard is very decent, and same dashboard has taken to Safari also, almost all the same. And auto dimming inside the vehicle as given here. And these are the switches for the panoramic sunroof. 3 buttons as given for panoramic sunroof, so that easily you can handle the panoramic sunroof. These are the lights as given here, 2 mics as given here, no sunglasses holder has given here. Coming to other side, mirror with light provided, very nice of that. Holder has given that. Huge panoramic sunroof at the top is very hairy feeling of that. So again same side, no mirror, no light, nothing. And coming to instrument cluster, half of the display you get LCD display on offer, and other side you get a speedometer of manual. And this is a steering wheel. Leather treatment of steering wheel is very nice. These are the controls for the infotainment system and voice control, Bluetooth connectivity, call decline and incline, and volume increase and buttons. These are given, and bottom is not a sporty feeling. And this is a silver treatment of the steering, and Tata badge at the center, airbag written there. And these are the controls for the instrument cluster, trip A, tachometer, etc. And this lever is for wipers, and this lever is for lights and indicators. And coming to instrument cluster, sorry friends, I'm not showing of that. And coming to other side, Indian start stop button as given here with the same wood finish treatment. As continue rolling towards this side, and air vents came out of this body level, very nice and funny treatment. And in detail you can see the piano black finish touch on the top, and airbags written there. So overall this is a walk around video. Soonly I'll be done the test drive video uploading also. So this is a rear seats, very comfortable but airy feeling, not airy feeling. So this is a front seat, and this is a dashboard design. Overall very nice. Safari and Harrier has the same treatment. So soon I'll be done the test of both the vehicles. If you like the video, please give thumbs up, and if you till not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Bye bye guys, see you in the next video.